Good morning. We're doing a day in the life video. It is 8 in the morning. Slept in a little bit, so it's a little late start, but let's get after this. All right, pre-gym routine. We just drink a glass of water with salt in it, and now we're taking a spoonful of honey. I love honey, so that's good. Glass full of salt, not good. But get your electrolytes going. Honey is a simple carbohydrate, so it breaks it down and gives you energy for the gym. I usually eat a protein bar before I go too, so I got actual food in my stomach, but nonetheless, we're out. All right, we just finished the workout outside of Expert. It was leg day. We love leg day. Worst part of leg day is getting to the gym. Best part of leg day is the actual workout. I love legs. What are we off to now? Make some breakfast. I'll show you what I got cooking up. It's gonna be some steak and eggs, some slight. Get your protein in, protein shake. But yeah, peace. I've recorded some content, so I'll throw that in there too. All right, we're in the lab, cooking it up. We got a little beef, little onions, some eggs, protein shake, Greek yogurt, 2% milk fat, cheat code right now. I'll show you the finished product when it's done. All right, we are done. Here's the final product. Little beef, little eggs, protein shake. These things are around 1,000 calories. Pretty solid, tastes good. All right, so what I'm currently working on is I'm getting my samples for some of my Amazon products. I've been communicating with different suppliers, and should be getting samples in within the next 3 weeks for a couple of different products, and then we'll go from there. See how that goes. This is the beginning of the journey of the Amazon FBA journey. So, not much more to say about that. I'm gonna go back to work. I got a stair climb at 5:15. It's for charity. It's just as many times as you can, and I have a dinner at 6:45. So, gotta get everything done within the next 4.5 hours, so that I can rest assured that everything's been completed. Peace. Alright, update. We got a stair climb. It's a 30-floor stair climb for the American Lung Association. It's free. Just warming up, grab some food, drink some water. I'll get back to you guys after it's done, but let's get it. Post-leg day stair climb. We're in the middle of it. Floor 8. This is our second time. 30 stories, 22 steps a story. 660 stairs. We got another 45 minutes of this. We're gonna try and make it 4 times. Keep you updated, holy shit. All right, we're on climb number 4. Dude, 660 times 3, 1,980 steps. Climb number 4. This is brutal. I need to stop. I got some water. The goal is 5. I got like 28 minutes left. I'm gonna get to it, peace out. We just finished up number 4. 2,640 steps, stairs. We're gonna try and go for number 5. I've got, she's in the bag. I got 20 minutes. 5, magic number 5. Let's go. The only thing keeping me up is David Goggins saying, "Oh, you don't know me, son." Do you mind introducing yourself?
Yeah, my name's Hal Carlson.
Okay, and then how long have you been climbing stairs?
Oh, God, probably close to 20 years, maybe?
That's amazing.
15 to 20 years, somewhere in there.
Did you do cross country at Wisconsin?
No. A friend of mine runs for the University of Wisconsin.
Okay, very nice.
In fact, Bob Liking, who won the Big Ten
Okay.
championship, he used to stair climb. That's how I got to know him, and he was a great stair climber.
I can't say I know who Bob Laking is.
But he's won the Big Ten cross country title
Okay.
the last 3
Very
years.
nice. Did you run cross country?
No, I was a basketball player. I went to Elmhurst, and
Very-
I
very
played
nice.
basketball. I got into running late 20s, early 30s.
And then what got you into stair climbing?
Well, I was a firefighter,
Okay.
and I was I'm a runner, and I got hurt, and I was a firefighter for Aurora, and we have this one tall building. It's about 20 stories tall. We had a fire on the 16th, 17th floor, and I remember hustling up, and I was hurt at the time, so I wasn't running, and I got up there, and I thought, damn, that was hard. I said, but it didn't stress my injury, so I came back the next day and asked if I could go up and down I go up and then take the elevator down.
Down.
Going down's a whole different story.
Yeah.
But so I started doing that as to make up for my lack of running because I couldn't run at the time.
Okay.
And then I saw there was this thing called Hustle Up to Hancock,
Okay.
and I didn't even know there were stair climbs.
Competitions.
So I signed up for it, and I went over there, and I think I was 53 at the time, and I went out too fast, and I died, and I thought I blew it. Ended up, I finished like 4th overall.
Wow,
and I
that's
thought,
amazing.
And then from that point, I started doing stair climbs, and got to meet a lot of nice people. There's a lot of great people that
In the
do
community.
this.
That's
and
awesome.
so it's basically a winter thing, but there are stair climbs throughout the year, except for maybe June, July, and August. But most of them are from Sears is in November, and then most of them are January, February, March.
All right. Thank you very much.
Okay.
I almost forgot to record, but this is the end of my day in the life. I got back from dinner after the stair climb and hopped in the shower, and I literally just hopped into bed. I forgot to make this video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. That was pretty much a day in the life. A little bit different. I wish I would have done some more work, but I had the stair climb and the dinner, so that was played a factor in my day. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great day. As always, don't forget, power to transform your lives lies within you. Don't stop learning, don't stop growing, don't stop launching towards your dreams. I'm your host, Andy, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.